Guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic yeah, number 6840. 6840. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. In today's newspaper of it's Monday, last day of the month, Monday, July the 31st, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So it's time now for the second regular puzzle, and it's a tectonic with 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. I think it's a one-star puzzle. For a one-star puzzle you need to be faster than 15 minutes. First time with a tectonic on the Monday. Usually the publisher publishes one puzzle as a regular puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Faster than 15 minutes. First question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me check. Here we have a dual box, there we have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Same for here, 1 and a 2. Need more information. Okay. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? Let me check. Only one triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area, so can be a 5 anymore. Should be a 4 then. Okay, next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. Shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more other shapes? No. Well, this is the first time that I see here only one shape. One shape, one figure, structure or construction that you need to recognize. Well, let me start then. Okay, so only one shape, figure, structure, or construction. These, oh no, wait. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Okay, let me mark those. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. The 5 is in the same area. Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay, here also 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then, well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers in this area, and then 1 and a 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 3. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well, come on. Let me see. Well. 1, 4. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Then. Let me see. Come on. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. 3. Think. Well. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 4, 3, or a 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Okay. And now this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 over there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 4 should be here. Okay, 1, 2, 4. So this box should be also 3 and 5 here. Interesting. 3, 4, and a 5. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, interesting. Well, I think I'm stuck here. 1, 2. 2 need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. 2 need a 1 here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5 here. Okay. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So here also 3 or a 5 here. Well, 3 and a 5. That means. I think this box should be a 2 then, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there and a double 5 there. And can it be a 4? Yeah, definitely a 2 here. Okay. Need a 3 and a 5 here also. 2, 2. Need a 4 here, need a well, I'm stuck here. This box can be 2, can be 3, can be 5, so 1 or 4. So the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Suppose the 5 should be here. And this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be in one of those 2 boxes, yeah. I'm still thinking here. I'm having troubles here. 13 minutes already passed. Well, this box can be 8. Well, need a 3 here. 1. Need a 1 here. 1. 1. Yeah, can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or a 5 here. Yeah, this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3. So we have a 4 and a 5. Here we have also 4 and a 5. That means that can be 3, can be 4 and a 5. So 1 or a 2 here. Yeah, 1 and 2. Suppose this is 1. That box should be 1. 1, 4, 5. Okay. That means that this box 4 and 5, 2. Can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 4 and 5? So one digit left should be a 3 then here. I've marked this box with 3 or a 5. We have a 3 there, so this box should be a 5 then. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3 then. I've marked those two boxes with 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So one digit left in this area for number 3. A 3 or 5. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 and a 3 are left. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes with 1. We have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area, 1 and a 4. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 4. Okay. This box can be 1, this box can be 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, finishing for 60 minutes. Well. 60 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Having troubles. Let me give this a 1-star puzzle here. 1 star, 2 stars. Correction, 2 stars. Yeah. Not a 1 star because the 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. I'm a little bit slow today, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.